Yeah, Kevin, sorry. Yeah, he's westbound. We believe there may be two people in the truck now. It's usually incredible video. This car rolled all the way over and now is still westbound on I-40 as they're still trying to take this car out. There is nobody behind it. We've got 4 patrol cars, 2 more coming up, so hopefully they can put an end to this right here. This is a great time to put an end to it. Yeah, we're slow rolling westbound on I-40. They have I-40 shut down at Air Depot right now, so they're slow rolling. Air 1 is almost here, so as I said, I'm listening to 4 or 5 different radios at this time. But that was incredible video. I've never seen that before, where they rolled a car like that and it ended up on all 4 wheels and is still rolling down I-40 westbound. Air 1 is now. Air 1, I got you inside. We're at 2,000. We'll climb up a little higher. Yeah, I thought I heard them saying that somebody had their hands up in that vehicle. Now I don't really see that, but you can see the damage caused to this truck when it rolled over the center barrier about a mile down the road and ended up on all 4 wheels and is now slow rolling down I-40. As you can see, Air 1 flying through the shot right there. So they're about to put, yeah, they're going to force them off the highway. They're doing about 12 miles an hour, the OHP is saying, on I-40. They're blocking all the exit ramps, keeping them from getting off the highway. Like I said, I-40 is blocked off at Air Depot, so there is no vehicles behind this pursuit. Chapter 4 will be looking. All right, copy. Yeah, we're crossing Sunny Lane right now. Hey, Kevin. I don't know. Yeah, guys, can you hear me? Yeah, Kevin. The OHP or see the guy waving out the window. The problem they're having is this truck is a four-wheel drive. It's jacked up. They cannot see in it. They're pulling up beside it, so this guy's waving them. I don't know what he's doing. Somebody might be hurt in there. I don't know. But as you can see, he's pulling over. Okay. Yeah, this would be a felony. Chapter 4, thank you for your help. I'm up underneath you, Jason.